Rhythm 52.
As a child, I used to play all day in the waves. Later that night, lying in my bed, the sand and the sea still inside my head, I asked my father, Daddy, what can it be? And he said, there's water in you just like the sea. It's moving and grooving to the rhythm of the ocean. Hear the rhythm of the ocean. Hear it calling your name. Feel the rhythm of the ocean, moving and grooving to the wind and the rain.
As a man, I had to live far from the sea. I thought it was destiny. I wanted prosperity, and at the time, I used to have the most wonderful dream. Yeah, late at night, lying in my bed, moving and grooving to the rhythm of the ocean.